was cheapest,
Oh, wow.
and that's what she took a picture of.
That's so amazing.
And this is Joan and I was a snake dancer.
Wow, so that's you?
Yeah,
Wow, you got the snake wrapped around your arm and everything.
yeah.
Wow, that is amazing. That is so cool. Such a beautiful picture. Very nice. Wow. It's great. I'm telling you, this is an honor for me, and I really.
Paints him, and he painted it for my birthday.
Handmade by Mr. Warren. That is amazing.
New dances every year,
Yes.
at least 2 of them.
That's
were
pretty
new
cool.
dances.
And you said you had 5 to go through?
Huh?
You used this typically
No,
about 5?
we had 4.
4.
Because the 5th dance was always a snake dance.
Okay, yes. Wow. Man, that's amazing. Wow. Well, I think that covers. Yeah, diving off of that's pretty amazing. Like I said, it sounds like you guys have really encompassed almost all of the tradition and the culture flying around up there.
Oh, it's a hoot.
Yeah. So how do you actually get off? Is there a way to
You just unhook.
just unhook?
You just, what you do is when you get down close to the ground, you put your hand out
Okay.
and feel you're close to the ground,
Okay.
and then you just reach up and grab the line and flip yourself up.
Oh, wow. Man. That's it's more than I have.
And unhook.
That makes my stomach.
Was doing the wheel dance.
Wheel dance. How would that?
That's Los Voladeros.
Okay.
That's the one where you have a pole that's
Oh yes.
40 feet up and you go off of it backwards.
Oh, I've seen that.
And they have somebody up dancing on top.
Oh
And he forgot to buckle up. He was buckling. And as he went off, he fell straight to the ground.
no. That's not a.
And everybody thought he was dead. But
Did.
a doctor came out of the audience and said, no,
Oh wow.
I'm going to revive him.
Oh wow.
So
Right there on the spot.
he did revive him right on the spot.
Wow. And that was the single tragedy.
Yeah, that was a single tragedy.
So-
and today, he's paralyzed
Okay.
and in a wheelchair
From the fall.
from the fall.
Wow.
But he lives in Cottonwood.
Wow, but he's still doing.
He's still, he's married and everything, so.
Yeah.